This week, Adam and I decided to go shopping. So it all started with printing off the iBidder form, see what we bought, and then we set off to an industrial place, because when Adam and I buy things, they're invariably incredibly heavy and big. So here we go. This is the first item which I bought, which is a massive cast iron welding bench. It's 9 foot by 6 foot, so pretty hefty really. So we went, loaded it on with forklift, so the auction management people did that for us. We might have had to unbolt everything from the floor, but they did kindly drop everything on the trailer for us. And of course, whenever making any purchase, you need to make an accidental purchase, particularly with auctions. Here it is, Adam's accidental purchase, a 12-ton hydraulic press. That's what it pushes, not what it weighs, before you decide we're overweight. We're not, we did check. So there we are. And this lady's very jealous. So we then demanded to leave the building to finish strapping up outside. Apparently we only had 10 minutes allowed to load up. It took us half an hour, which, considering we had to unbolt everything and shift everything around, I thought was pretty good going. Then we decided to look around and see what we didn't buy. So some pretty impressively large kit at this engineering place, including these slit rolls. Someone did ask if we wanted to buy them, and many welders. And here's something else that we did buy. Adam bought weld extractor.
Made it. Badly looked for the size. He was asleep, so that's why.
Then I found Nigel's rather groovy sunglasses, so I decided to give those a go. And then it was time to unload. Job for the Tele Handler. Big kit needs big kit. And also in filming, I managed to keep out of the way of actually doing anything. So Ben seemed to do all the handling, and Adam did all the driving. So rather good little spin I did there. Now for the more challenging task of getting the massive welding bench into the workshop. Now the workshop is big enough, but getting it where I want it, around the car lift, to the far side of the workshop, that's the challenge. So we set about with the lifting chains, getting the bench off the trailer. As you can see, we've got it nicely balanced first time. What a treat. Now time for a bit of a time lapse of us shoehorning it in the door. So Adam got the telehandler in the doorway, and then he managed to boom out the boom and just about push it round. A bit of manipulation with some straps, and that got us in the ballpark. Probably about 4.5 metres into the workshop, so a fair way. Then brought in the little forklift, lifted it up, put some skates under it, and we pushed it about to get it where we wanted it. So made an easy job of it really. There it is there on the skates. We're just clearing out some more stuff. It is long. Had to clear out quite a few things that were down that back wall. Here's Adam checking that it's all secure, no wobbles. We did then level it up. Now time to find somewhere to put the bonus purchase. So again, little forklift, lifted it up, and we took it round to the bottom workshop. So that's where it's going to live. Should be a useful bit of kit this. I will make some adapters so I can use tooling off my homemade press on this press as well. It'll probably be useful to have them set up for different operations. Here comes Tarzan. Time for a sweep up and a rearrange. Long time overdue, looks a lot better for it. Of course, the welding bench is already covered in stuff. And time to see Ben off on his way home. I think he put that in the dryer onto higher heat, and it seems to have shrunk.